This 2026 Forest River Columbus 384RKH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 42 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleep 6, skylight, leveling jacks, slide-out, TV antenna, air conditioning, water heater, awning, microwave, LP detector, refrigerator, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features bath and a half, couples coach, front bath, mid-bath, mid-living area, rear kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Columbus 384RKH is 13,814 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.